Welcome. If you've ever wished for a calmer, more comfortable gut, you're in the right place. Tonight, we're taking the first step toward a happier, healthier digestive system, one that supports your energy, mood, and overall well-being. Today, let's discover a simple, 1-minute bedtime ritual to help your gut feel lighter and more comfortable. This isn't just another health trend. It's a gentle practice you can easily add to your nightly routine, no matter how busy your day has been. Many of us accept bloating, sluggishness, and that heavy feeling as normal, especially after a long day or a big meal. But the truth is, small, mindful changes can make a big difference in how we feel, both at night and the next morning. There's no need for extreme diets, harsh cleanses, or complicated routines. Instead, we'll focus on a gentle, natural approach that's easy to stick with. It's about supporting your body, not punishing it. Think of your gut as a garden. It needs the right care, nourishment, and attention to truly thrive. With our modern diets, stress, and busy schedules, it's easy for our digestive systems to get out of balance. But with a little help, you can restore harmony and feel your best. Our focus tonight is a plant-based helper that's been trusted for centuries to support digestive regularity and comfort. It's gentle, effective, and works in harmony with your body's natural rhythms. This isn't about quick fixes or overnight miracles. It's about working with your body night after night to create lasting comfort and a sense of lightness that carries into your day. We'll talk about hidden waste, the leftover material in your digestive tract that can cause bloating, heaviness, and even impact your mood. By gently helping this waste move along, you can support your body's natural cleansing process. When you help your body clear out what it doesn't need, you wake up feeling lighter, more refreshed, and ready to take on the day with renewed energy and clarity. Are you ready to learn about this gentle, powerful method that can transform your nightly routine and support your gut health for the long term? Let's begin this journey together. Disclaimer: this is for educational purposes. Consult your doctor for personal advice. Now, let's get started and discover how a simple nightly ritual can make a world of difference for your gut and your overall well-being. What is hidden waste? Picture your digestive tract as a river. Ideally, everything flows smoothly, but sometimes undigested food and residues build up, especially with low-fiber diets or stress. This lingering waste can ferment, causing bloating and that heavy feeling. It's not just in your head. This is a real, physical burden. The solution isn't harsh cleanses, but gently supporting your body's natural rhythm. Fiber acts as a broom, sweeping away what's left behind. Without enough fiber, waste builds up, making you feel worse over time. Understanding this is the first step to feeling lighter and more comfortable. Now, let's meet the ingredient that can help. Meet psyllium husk, the gentle natural fiber harvested from the seeds of the Plantago ovata plant, which thrives in sun-drenched fields. For centuries, people have turned to this humble plant for its remarkable ability to support digestive health in a soothing, non-disruptive way. When you mix psyllium husk with water, something magical happens. It transforms into a soft, gel-like substance that acts like a gentle sponge inside your digestive tract, soaking up excess water and helping to trap hidden waste and toxins that your body wants to remove. This gel moves through your intestines, sweeping them clean in a way that's both thorough and kind to your system. It helps your body move everything along naturally, making trips to the bathroom more regular and comfortable without any harsh side effects. Unlike some rough or irritating fibers, psyllium is incredibly well tolerated by most people. It simply adds soft, cushiony bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass and reducing discomfort or straining. As this fiber moves through your gut, it gently triggers your body's natural wave-like muscle contractions, known as peristalsis. This helps things flow smoothly and keeps your digestive system working in harmony, day and night. But psyllium's benefits go beyond just regularity. It also acts as a prebiotic, creating a nourishing environment for your gut bacteria to thrive. This supports a balanced microbiome, which is essential for overall wellness, energy, and even mood. By adding this simple natural fiber to your daily routine, you're not just easing bloating or discomfort, you're nurturing your entire digestive system and supporting your body's natural rhythms. It's a small, easy change that can lead to big, gentle benefits for your gut health, comfort, and overall well-being. Ready to experience the difference? Let's see how to use psyllium husk in your daily life. Here's how to make your gut-soothing drink in just 1 minute. You'll need water, psyllium husk, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Fill a glass with 8-10 ounces of room-temperature water. Add 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk. Start with half if you're new. Squeeze in a bit of lemon for taste. Optional, but refreshing. Stir quickly for 10-15 seconds. It thickens fast. Drink it right away before it gels too much. This simple ritual fits easily into your nightly routine. It's a quick act of self-care your gut will thank you for. Now let's talk about why timing matters. The golden rule: drink your psyllium mix immediately after stirring. Psyllium thickens fast. If you wait, it turns into a gel that's hard to swallow and less effective. You want the sponge effect to happen in your gut, not your glass. Stir, drink, and don't pause. Make it a quick, smooth motion. Using a straw can help if you're new to the texture. If there's residue left, add a splash of water, swirl, and drink that too. Immediate consumption ensures safety and effectiveness. This step is non-negotiable for a gentle, comfortable experience. Respect the ingredient, and your body will thank you. Next, let's talk hydration. After your psyllium drink, follow up with a full glass of water. Psyllium needs plenty of liquid to form its gentle, gut-soothing gel. Without enough water, fiber can cause discomfort instead of relief. Hydration helps the fiber work smoothly and keeps your whole body happy. Sip water throughout the next day to support the process. You don't need gallons, just steady, mindful hydration. This two-step ritual, elixir, then water, unlocks the full benefits. Simple, effective, and kind to your gut. After you enjoy your nightly elixir and a refreshing glass of water, you're setting the stage for a truly restorative night's sleep. This simple act of self-care signals to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for a new day ahead. Hydrating before bed not only supports digestion, but also helps your body gently flush out toxins overnight, so you can wake up feeling renewed. When morning comes, you'll likely notice you feel lighter, less bloated, and more refreshed than usual. That sense of ease is your body's way of thanking you for the gentle support you gave it the night before. Many people are pleasantly surprised to see a flatter stomach and experience more comfortable, energized mornings. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how you start your day. This gentle nightly routine supports regularity and a happier gut, all without harsh ingredients or uncomfortable side effects. It's about nurturing your body, not forcing it. The benefits of this practice build with consistency. Some people notice results overnight, while for others, it may take a few days of steady effort. Tracking your progress can help you stay motivated and see just how far you've come. Remember, everyone's body is unique. Some will feel lighter and more comfortable right away, while others may notice gradual improvements over time. Stick with this routine to maintain your comfort and help prevent future bloating. Making it a nightly habit can set you up for long-term gut health and daily well-being. Remember, small, steady actions, like staying hydrated, eating nourishing foods, and moving your body, lead to big, lasting changes in how you feel each day. If you're looking for more gut health tips, delicious recipes, and easy routines to support your journey, check out my free guide on my website. It's packed with resources to help you feel your best. And as always, listen to your body's signals and consult your doctor if you have any concerns or questions about your health. Your well-being is always the top priority. Here's to waking up brighter, lighter, and more comfortable every single day. Embrace these small changes and celebrate your progress. You truly deserve to feel your best, today, tomorrow, and every day moving forward.